In this tutorial, we will be looking at what it means when we say something is squared or cubed. These are simply commonly used ways of describing an exponent of 2 or 3. So when we have a number to the power of 2, we can instead say that the number is squared. Here is an example. 3 to the power of 2. This can be called 3 squared. When a number is to the power of 3, we can say it is cubed. So 11 to the power of 3 is 11 cubed. Now if you are wondering why we stopped at cubed and didn't give a common way of saying to the power of 4 or any other power, it is because there isn't one, or at least not a convenient one. Squares and cubes come from geometry and are an easy way to describe the power. Using the geometric term to describe x to the power of 4 would be x tessaracted. You can see why we stopped at cubed. In this lesson, you learned that a number to the power of 2 can also be called that number squared, and that a number to the power of 3 is called that number cubed. Here we have 4 squared and 5 cubed.